back to my channel. My name's Daniela and I'm on a journey to lose 100 pounds. I've lost over 60 pounds thus far, all from the comfort of my home. And I'm 40-ish pounds to my goal of 182 pounds. I cannot wait till I get there because I want to be able to push this body past its limit. And when I'm in the 180s to 170s, that's when my body is at its physical best. Smash the like button if you're on a weight loss journey, a fitness journey, or on a journey to live your best life. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button as I upload videos weekly documenting my journey. And I just want to give a shout out to each and every one of my subscribers for coming here consistently and watching my journey. You guys inspire me to keep on going. This journey is incredibly difficult, but without creating a community of accountability and a community of connection, I honestly would not be here right now. So in today's video, we are jumping back into workouts. I took just over a week off working out because the Better You Challenge is a very advanced program. It is hard. It is so hard, and my body just needed a break. However, it doesn't matter how long it takes me to finish this program as long as I get it done. This morning I was feeling a bit discouraged because the program is scheduled to be done on December 20th and it is right now December 14th. However, I still have 2 weeks of workouts to get in. So the goal is to finish it by the end of this year. We are going to finish 2020 on a strong note. Yes, the year has been rough, but we are not going to let this year break us down. This is a year to define our strength. This is a year to overcome, and I intend to end it that way. The workouts on the menu today include 100 burpees, which I'm just going to get done. I'm not going to try to beat my time, and a strength and conditioning workout. So let's get to it. Another day, another opportunity to push towards your goals. So this morning I came back from another walk. I completed just over 5K, 3.89 miles, I believe. And this is the second day in a row that I have been walking. I wanted to get outside to help with my mental health more than anything. We're coming down to the darkest days of the year, approaching Christmas, so we're gonna do whatever it takes to help my mood and my body get through these dark times, literally and kind of figuratively. Right now I've got lined up 2 circuits. The first circuit will include burpees, so I guess it will be kind of like a full body circuit, and the second circuit is going to be a shoulder burnout circuit. This is all from the Better You Challenge, so enough dabbling, let's get it done. I'm way too stubborn. I never learn. I cannot do 2 workouts in the same day with Marcella's Better You Challenge. I just can't do it. It is hard to double up. I tried to do F2, which is the last workout of the week, to make up for the one I didn't do 2 weeks ago, and I just couldn't do it. So I'm just gonna have to follow the schedule as is. It's okay. I have an extra week added on to this program where I have a few exercises I missed. So just take your time. Once you reach your limit, you gotta recognize it, because if you push too hard, you can risk injury. And I'm already injured, and I'm not about to make my injury worse or find a new one. So it is what it is. I tried it out. I'll be prepared for this Saturday for when that workout comes. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys are pushing towards your goals. I hope you are understanding that this is a process. It's going to take time. Nothing happens overnight, except that it is the incremental steps that matter. You are not going to go from 0 to 100 in a day. You're not going to lose weight in a week or 2. It's going to take consistent action. You're probably going to end up seeing results. The average amount of time that people do see results, and when I've seen results, when I've been consistent with my nutrition and my weight loss journey, is about 3 months, 2 to 3 months. So hang in there, keep pushing, take pictures, because pictures are the best way to keep yourself motivated, as it helps track your progress. Anyway, guys, you got this. I'll see you around tomorrow for another workout. Man, I am feeling yesterday's workout. I woke up a bit stiff in the arms and the shoulders. Oh, I'm stiff. But we are going to loosen this body up, and we are going to trek on. So today I have 100 burpees to do, followed by strength training. It's a busy day today. I've got a few things lined up today. Someone's coming to repair a counter. I have something for a potential career opportunity coming up. Finding a job in the pandemic is always fun, but we just keep working on ourselves. We cultivate that mental strength in order for us to handle life. The physical part of it is great, but I really do it for the mental, because I know when I stop working out, everything goes downhill. So yeah, let's get this done. Pre-workout fuel was a banana, some carrots, and some hummus. I can't eat a lot before workouts because I get sick, but I didn't realize how much sugar was in a banana. And then I decided to check its insulin index. So people talk about the glycemic index, but when it comes to weight loss, it's really all about insulin. And it spikes your insulin level about 60%. It's okay, because I just had it and I'm about to use all that fuel in this workout. Anyway, let's get it done. Oh, that was a workout. You know what? A workout is better than no workout. You're gonna have days where you just have a crap workout, where you're not feeling your 100%, where you don't have it in you to give it your all for every rep, but that's okay. This is just a strength defining workout. I remember when I first started working out at the beginning of my journey, I had many of these days, and what got me to where I am today is that I kept on going. I modified my way if I needed to. I took what I could out of the situation, and I just told myself, hey, this is just not your day. Just get back up and try again. If you do that and it doesn't work, just get back up, take a rest, and then try again. Always restart, reset as many times as you need to on this journey. It's okay. Perfection is a myth. Just keep going no matter what. Progress over perfection, guys. Always. Anyway, I've got stuff to do. Right, yesterday was a bit of a rough day, had some things going on. My workout sucked. I was tired, I was not there. But it's amazing how things can change in a day. Today I'm feeling much better. Now the situation that got me upset yesterday still exists. However, my outlook has changed. There is always a chance to shift your perspective. When we shift our perspective, we shift our life, we shift our emotions, we shift our attitude. So that is what I did. I just had a perspective shift. Things happen. There will be tough times. However, tough times don't last. Tough people do. So for today's workout, I went on an hour walk. I've been walking for an hour every day this week except yesterday, coincidentally. And I've noticed that when I'm walking for about 5K before my workouts, it actually kind of helps my cardiovascular system get ready for my workouts. I guess it's just an extra long warm up. And I know my body just takes some time to go up to speed. So I'm guessing these walks kind of help my body do that. So yeah, so I did that 1 hour walk and now I'm about to do a circuit. It's not my favorite workout, but I got some good music to help get me through. Do whatever you need to do to get it done. The most important thing is that you show up. Now, let's get to this workout.